So here I want to show you how to do a quadratic function. So a quadratic graph. Now these ones are more difficult than the linear graphs, okay? So quadratic graphs. And a quadratic graph would look something like y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, alright? Or f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So something like so. Now, for an example, say, I might choose a nice easy one. So f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3 in the domain from minus 2 to 4. So x is between minus 2 and 4. Okay, so it's the very same process as before, except this time it's advisable to use a calculator maybe, because the last time you were just adding or subtracting really. But here's the same process. So if x is minus 2 is x. So I'm taking out x and putting in minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to, use your calculator and you'll get 5. Okay? Because minus 2 squared is 4. 2 minuses give you plus 4. 4 and 4 is 8. Take 3 is 5. When x is minus 1, minus 1 squared minus 2 times minus 1 minus 3 on your calculator will give you 0. Minus 1 and out comes 0. When x is 0, 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 3, and you'll get out minus 3. So 0 and minus 3 is your point. When x is 1, 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 3 will give out minus 4. So plus 1 and minus 4. When x is 2, 2 squared minus 2 times 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 again. So 2 and minus 3 is our point. Now, we're only taking out the x's, okay? So x is 3. I'm going to replace x with 3 squared. Minus 2 times x again is 3. Minus 3 will give me 0. And use your calculator to check. So on your calculator, you would type in bracket minus, so bracket, we're going with 3, close the bracket squared, minus 2 brackets 3, take away 3 equals 0. And then to change for the next one, I'm just going to scroll back. So instead of 3, this time I'm going to put in 4. So 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. So let's see. So x is 4. 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 3 is 5. So 4 and 5. But you can do all of that on your calculator, okay? But now you have to draw your graph. And this time the graph is going to look slightly different than before. So give yourself loads of room in the middle of your page, right, until you get the hang of these. And space them out as neatly as you can. So the x-axis, the y-axis don't change. So on the x-axis I need to go from minus 2 to 4. So minus 1 and minus 2. 0 in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to get up as far as 5 and down to minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Okay? Now, so the first one is, when x is minus 2, I get out 5. So x is minus 2 up to 5. When x is minus 1, 0. When x is 0, down to minus 3. When x is 1, down to minus 4. When x is 2, down to minus 3. 3, 0. And 4, back up to 5. So when you join your graph then, so you want to join it freehand, so something like this. Try keep it as neat as you can. Turn and back up, hitting each point as we go. And that there is the graph of f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. And they're the ones that are probably more likely to come across in an exam. Okay, so just take your time with those.